Hello everyone, welcome back to our sessions. In today's session, we'll be going to discuss about logistic application, which is actually designed and built up to manage the transport system. So to start with, users should be able to log in by using a username and a password. And on the right side, you can see there's a label called sign in. So upon clicking on the sign in button, user will be presented with this section wherein he or she can enter the user ID and the password assigned to them. The data which is being used today is a test data or a dummy data which is created for our demo purpose. So let's start with it. After entering the user ID and password, just click on submit button. Once user clicks on submit button, he or she will be landed on our home page wherein LR page, report page, billing page and a change passwords are being designed for a quick access. On the right side of the page, you can see a logout option. Upon clicking on it, user will be logged out from the application. And on the left side of the page, there are three horizontal lines. Upon clicking on it, we will be able to see all different modules or sections such as contacts, dashboard, truck details, challan, all the way till change password, which will be going to look in today's session in a detailed way. Let's start with contacts. Under contacts, we just give a basic information about the transport, like what's the transport name, the GSTN numbers, the priority numbers which they want to define, and a quick description about how and what are intent to make up this transport application. And apart from that, we also show the branches from where the transport management, or you can say the transport system is operating, such as Delhi, Shadra, Sadar Bazaar, etc. So this is all the dummy data we added for our demo purpose. Continuing with dashboard, as we said, dashboard is a configurable page wherein based upon the customer requirement, we can always change the options which has to be displayed here. Next is truck details. Under truck details, you can always add a new report by using an option called add report button. When we click on add report button, user will be landed on this page with some of the fields displayed mandatorily. We have to enter report number, report date, truck number, all the stations, some of the go down details, the driver name, driver number. Upon entering all this data, user can click on save button. Once user clicks on save button, he or she will be landed to this page wherein the created record will be displayed properly. If you want to edit the existing record, we have an option called an edit wherein a pencil icon will be displayed. Upon clicking on that pencil icon, user will be landed on this respective report in an edit mode. When we say edit mode, we will be always able to change the data. Example, we can add the remarks here and click on save, or you can change the advance amount, or you can always change the driver number. After editing the data, you just click on save button. Once user clicks on save button, by default, again they will be landed on this page. They can always view the data also by just using this eye icon present beside the report number. So just click on this eye icon. Once you click on the eye icon, you will be landed on this page wherein a basic details of report will be displayed. And the best part is if you scroll little bit down, all the related LRs or associated LRs details will also be displayed. For an example, for this report 475, these are all the LRs associated or created. So in a single click, this will be a quick glance to our customer to view all the details of their LRs. Let's go back. In case if you want to download this report, we have an option called download report. So upon clicking on this button, there will be an Excel sheet downloaded. Let's click on this button. So based upon the report or the records, it will take a couple of seconds to download the report in your local system and it will be saved. So you can see now the report got successfully downloaded, and if I open this report, we will be able to view all the details of our report. So let me open the Excel report and we'll quickly go through it. This is how the Excel report will be downloaded with all the related data, all the way starting from report number to our truck details, stations, driver numbers, phone numbers, go down details, and everything. So there are almost 477 records. Those will be downloaded here, and this could be taken a printout and distributed to our respective parties. So this is a very good feature which is being presented in this application. All the way when you want to search for a report by using a report number, we can do that activity too. Example, let's say my report number is 471 and click on the search button. You can see the respective record has been pulled and it has been showed. Let's quickly jump on to the next part, that is challan details. In the challan details, same operations can be performed. We can add a challan, we can view a challan, and we can always edit a challan. So if you want to add a challan, click on this add local challan and you'll be landing on this page where you can enter the details and click on save button. Once user clicks on save button, he will be taken back to this page wherein the created record will be displayed, and they can always edit it by using this pencil icon. Let's click on this pencil icon and you can see user can always edit the details. So in this way we can update the challan and click on save and get the latest updates. After that, if you want to view a challan details, you can just click on this eye icon present beside the report number. So once you click on it, the local challan number or the details will be displayed, and the best part is again the associated LRs will be pulled. So for local challan number 28, these are the LR numbers which are being associated. We can always search the challan details by using the numbers too. Let's say my number is 28, which I remember. If I click on search, I should be able to view that record respectively. And as we discussed, there is a download report button. Upon clicking on this button, we can always download a report in our local system and we can take a print of it. Let's quickly go to the next section, that is consignment details. Under consignment details, we can add a new LR by using a button called add LR button. Just click on that button. All the mandatory details has to be filled out. Ensure to create a record like LR number, booking date, payment type like paid, to pay, or to be paid, go down details, consigner phone number, consignee, consigner, consignee, articles, everything which are being required for our LR has to be entered here. And once you click on save button, user will be landed again on this page wherein the created record will be displayed. Followed with the different operations like they can always view the LR by clicking on that eye icon and view the LR details. Go back. If you want to edit it, you can use this pencil icon. Click on the pencil icon and you will be able to edit the details. Whatever the details you want, you can edit it. And click on the save button. Once you click on save button, again user will be landed upon this page. We also have an option to download a report which is being placed in every page wherein you can download this report. There are around 1000 records, more than 1000 records. So you can just click on this download report and get it into your local system. If you want to search with any of your LR number, you can always do it. Let's say 12857 is my LR number and click on search. As soon as you click on search button, the respective record will be displayed here and you can always view it, edit it, and to take a print of it. Let's say if I want to take a print of it, you can just click on this print option. A PDF document will be displayed here with your LR number, and if you open that PDF, you can see a pretty much PDF document will be displayed with all your details of LR, which will be very useful for our party or to the respective users to be provided by taking a print of it. So this is a very good feature added to this application. Let's go back to our next topic, that is called billing topic. So billing topic is again an important task wherein we can generate the bills, we can view the bills, we can edit the bills, and we can also take a print of a bill, and we can also search a bill. So these are the basic operations which we do for all our sections, whether it could be LR details, Challan details, or a truck detail. So let's try to add a new generate bill by clicking on this button called generate bill. So once you click on the generate bill, there will be some details like bill mode, payment type, stationery, Hamali amount, and whatever it is. So once you just enter all these details and click on generate bill, the respective bill will generate it and it will be displayed in this table. You can always edit the bill by using this pencil icon. Just click on the pencil icon and you will be able to edit it. Click on update bill and that's it. The bill will be updated. And if you want to view it, you can have this eye icon present beside the bill number. You can use this bill number or an eye icon to view your bill details. The next good concept is, let's say this is your bill 9976. Respected to this bill or associated to this bill, this is an LR number 13078, which you can view here in this page itself. Respected to this LR, this is a challan created 464, which you can always view on this page. So this is a very good association which we created with this bill number. At a quick glance or on a single view, customer can view the entire details. Let's go back to the billing section and try to print a bill. Let's try to print a bill of this 10155. If you click on this option print bill, again there will be a PDF document downloaded in your local system. You can see 12857 was my bill number, no sorry, the LR number. So just click on that 12857 PDF document and you can see a PDF document got generated with two copies, one with office copy and another with cash memo copy. So anytime we can take a print of it and provide it to our respective parties. This is all about billing, and you can always search by using a bill number. Let's say my bill number is 10060. So you can search with this bill number. Okay. Let's go back to our next topic, that is called accounts, wherein the user can create a parties by clicking on this add party button. Let's click on this add party and you can see user can be able to add a party by providing a party name, a party code, a mobile number, and the business address. After providing this all address, you can just click on save button, and once user clicks on the save button, user will be landed on this page wherein the created record will be displayed. So these are all the dummy data which we created for our demo purpose. We can always edit the party by using this pencil icon. Click on the pencil icon. You can land up on this page, edit the address, edit the details, and click on save. And your respective party details will be updated successfully. We can always view the balance transaction. Let's say I want to view a balance transaction for Fastlane. So click on this eye icon. You can see the transactions are being properly captured. 62,550 was first deducted and it has been credited. This is how the total balance is zero. So this is a very good concept again, where you can actually track your transactions to respect to the party. Click on this back button. We'll be again land up on this page. You can always search the party by using name. Let's say my party name is Gurbani, and if I click on search, the respective Gurbani footwear will be displayed and a record will be presented to a user, wherein he can edit it, he can view it, and he can do the respective operation. And as I said, for all the China sections, we do have an option of downloading the reports. So here we do have an option called downloading account report. So you can click on this button and download your reports. Let's go to the next topic, that is related to users. This is very important and you can say credentialed part of our application, wherein admin can actually add users by using an option called add user button. So let's say if user clicks on this add user, this will be a basic page by capturing the first name of user, last name, username, email, phone number, and address. And this is very important. When we click on this role drop down, we have some different roles like role admin, support, role data entry, and billing. So we have some specific roles defined to them. Let's say, for an example, if admin is being selected, admin will be able to do all the activities, as in generating bill, updating a bill, generating a records, updating the records. Let's say for data entry, he can only be able to enter the data. That's it. He cannot do anything else. Support might also do some activities at a certain level. So we can define, or you can say we can define a user based upon the role category. So this is a very good concept again added to our application. So click on save, and once you click on save, a respective record will be generated and it will be displayed in this table. We can always edit the record by clicking on this pencil icon, change the role, click on save. You're done. So the respective record will be updated. And if you want to search it with any of the name, let's say if I want to search with Rahul and hit search, you can see the respective record will be pulled. So this is how we can deal with our users too. Last but not least, change password. Anytime user can come here, they can respect to change their passwords and click on update password. So this will be taken care respective to the user which has been logged into an application. So this has also been provided as a benefit. And finally, we'll be coming up with this master data configuration as I am logged in with admin. So this is what I'm able to view all this data, but it is not required. So it will be only taken care from our admin side. So this was a pretty short and a quick demo to understand how the logistic application works and how we enter the details, how we edit the details, how we capture the details, and how do we print the details. So we can always print it, uh, get into a local systems, and take a hard copy of it and provide to our parties. So hope this session was helpful and useful to understand how the application works. And once everything is been done, you can have an option called log off. You can always use this option to log out of the application. So let's click on this logout and get out of the application. So click it. You can see you again land up on this page. And if you want to sign in again, you can just click on the sign in page and you will be displayed with this page. Okay. Thank you so much. Have a good day.